In today's video, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly strategy that you can use to start earning money online right after watching this video. So I'm going to show you how to use push notification to start earning money online today. And I'm going to show you how to do this with Propeller Ads, since this is one of the best push notification platform out there. Okay, so the first thing you are going to need obviously is a CPA offer. And you can join any CPA network of your choice, or you can basically come over to a site called offervault.com and you are going to find various CPA offers from various networks. However, some of the downside of using OfferVault is that some of this network will not approve you right away to promote their offers. So I recommend you use network like CPAlead.com. So once you basically come over to CPAlead.com, all you just need to do is to click on the sign up button and you want to basically create an account. So once you're done creating an account, your dashboard is basically going to look like this. So the next thing you want to do is basically come over to this section that says view filters. And here you want to select any country you intend to drive traffic to using push notification. So I'm going to take United States as an example, but feel free to experiment with other countries right here. So once you select United States, you are going to see all the offers available for United States. And you want to come over to this section that says payout. And if you click on this, it's going to basically show you the highest paying CPA offers. And now you want to basically go through all of these offers and pick the one you want to promote. Okay, so it's that simple. All right, so I'm going to be taking this offer here as an example, which says Mine Rescue. As you can see, this offer only wants conversion from Android devices. And also you can see all the people need to do is just to install this app, and you are going to get paid $4.43. So imagine you get 100 people a day to complete this offer. You are going to be earning over $400 a day with this one offer alone. And I'm going to show you how you can do this with push notification. So once you come over here, you want to click on the offer. And once you click on the offer, so the next thing you want to basically do is to create a landing page for the offer. And to do that, you can come over to landing page builder like breezy.io. And I'm going to leave a link in the description. Okay. And keep in mind, you can use any other landing page builder of your choice. So once you come over to this page, all you need to do is to click on get started now for free. So once you're logged into your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And all you need to do from here is to click on this create new project. And once you do that, you want to click on website and landing page, and then it's going to create your first project right here. And you want to click on edit project. Okay, so once you come over to this page, you want to click on start building your page, and then you are going to see various templates that you can click on and start creating your landing page right away. So I'm going to be taking this landing page here as an example. So I'm going to click on this. So once I click on this landing page, as you can see, this landing page has a video. And the reason why I'm choosing this landing page is because since we are promoting this app called Mine Rescue, you want to go over to Google and you want to type in Mine Rescue Play Store. Okay, since if you go back to CPA Lead, the offer wants conversion from Android devices. Okay, so once you come over to Google, all you need to do is to click on the first link. So once you come over to this page, as you can see, this is a preview of the game right here. So you want to click on this trailer. So once you click on that, as you can see, this trailer is basically showing people a gameplay of this app. All right, so all you need to do from here is to basically right click on this video and you want to copy this video URL. So once you copy the video URL, you want to basically go back to your landing page builder and you want to click on this play button icon. So once you do that, you want to basically scroll down. You want to make sure it's selected to YouTube. You want to make sure to delete this existing link and you want to paste in the YouTube link right here. So once you do that, you want to basically click out of this box. So once you add the video to the landing page like this, all you just need to do is to come over to this section and you want to change in the description of this landing page to something like, so you want to basically give it a very eye captivating title like get the ultimate tool for survival, download the Mine Rescue app. And you want to basically write a captivating description here as well. So you want to basically come over to this section right here and you want to basically click on this button. So once you drag this button, you want to drag and drop a button underneath this video and you want to change this to download now. Okay, so once you change this to download now, then you want to go back to your CPA Lead account. Then you want to copy the link to this offer, and all you just need to do from here is to basically paste in the link to the offer right here. Okay, so once you do that, that is all you need to do to create a very simple landing page. So once you're done creating your landing page, you want to come over to this section and you want to click on publish page. So once you click on that, you want to click on this section, you want to click on go back to dashboard. So once you do this, you are going to see the link to your landing page and you want to click on this link. So once you do that, if you have a custom domain, you can basically upgrade and add a custom domain. And if you don't have one, you can basically click on choose and you can type in a domain name that resonates with the offer. All right, so I'm going to say something like Mine Rescue. So as you can see, this is currently available. So if I click on this button to preview the landing page, as you can see, now it brought me to this page. And if I click on this play button, as you can see now, it's basically showing the preview of this game. And once basically people see this game and they like it and they click on download here, it's basically going to take them to this CPA offer. And if people download this app, you make money. So now the next thing is to basically come over to propellerads.com. Okay, so if you don't have an account, you want to click on start and you'll be able to create your account. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. So you want to come over here and give your campaign a name. So once you do that, you want to make sure to select this push notifications. So once you do this, then you want to basically scroll down and you want to basically leave this. All right, so once you do that, you want to basically scroll down and you want to basically select this CPC, and this is where you want to basically paste in the link to your landing page. So basically you want to go back to Breezy and you want to copy your landing page link. So once you copy the link, you want to basically go back to this section and you want to paste in your landing page link right here. All right, so once you do that, you want to come over to this section that says frequency and you want to select the frequency at which you want people to see your ad in every 24 hours. Okay, so basically you want to select it. So basically I usually set mine to 3. Okay, so once you do that, this section you want to basically leave it as this and you want to deselect this section. Okay, so once you do that, the next step, you want to leave this when you are starting your campaign. And now you want to toggle this button right here to select the country you want to target. So basically, once you choose your country, it's going to basically show you how much you are going to be paying for everyone who clicks on your link. As you can see, you are going to be charged 0.095 cents for anyone who clicks on your ad. All right. So basically now you want to basically scroll down here. If you want to basically target cities, you can do that. If you want to target states, you can do that as well. But you can come over to this section right here and you can select enable auto optimizations. What this means is, as you can see right here, I want to pay for one conversion. All right. So basically you can select the amount you want to pay per conversion. Since this offer is going to pay you $4.43, so you can basically set this to something like 0.50. Okay, so you can set it like this. Okay, so once you do that, you want to basically come over here and you want to select how much you're willing to spend a day. All right, so let's say you want to spend $50 a day. All right, so let's say the whole of the campaign you want to spend $200. All right, so basically this depends on what you want to do. Okay, so once you select all of this, you want to come over to this section that says targeting, and here you want to select mobile device, and for the OS you want to leave it as Android, since this offer wants conversion from only Android devices. Okay, so once you do that, you can basically select the OS if you want, but I recommend you leave this at default when you are starting this campaign. Okay, so once you scroll down, you want to basically select the interest that fits the offer you are promoting. So now, since this is a gaming offer, all right, you want to make sure to select gaming, and now you want to select the gender you want to target. So once you do this, you want to basically scroll down and give your creative a name. So now you want to type in a very captivating title and description like this: get the Mine Rescue app, download and be ready for anything. Okay, and now once you do that, you want to basically upload creatives for your ad. And now for creative ideas, you can basically come over to Google and type in Mine Rescue app. You are going to see a lot of Mine Rescue images that you can use for this ad. So once you upload your creative, everything is going to look like this. Okay, so you can test as many creatives as you want right here and as many titles and description as you want. Okay, so once everything is done, all you just need to do is to check this box right here and you want to click on start campaign. Your ad is going to be sent for approval, and once it gets approved, you are going to start getting traffic on your link and you are going to start earning money. So basically this is a beginner friendly strategy that you can use to start earning money using push notification and CPA marketing. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.